Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the essential steps to verify your Target Plus seller account easily and efficiently. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the essential steps to verify your Target Plus seller account easily and efficiently. Securing verification on Target Plus is crucial to unlock the many benefits this exclusive marketplace offers. Before starting, ensure you have all necessary documents and information at hand, including your business details, tax information, and product listings. Step 1. Go to the Target Plus seller portal and log into your account. If you do not have an account, yet you will need to apply and get approved to gain access. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section found within the dashboard. This section guides you through what documents and information Target requires for verification. Step 3. Prepare your documents carefully. Upload your business license, tax identification number, and any required product certifications. Make sure all files are clear, legible, and meet the size requirements specified. Step 4. Complete the identity verification process. This may involve submitting a government-issued ID and confirming your contact details through email or phone verification. Step 5. Review all submitted information thoroughly before you hit the submit button. Accuracy is vital to avoid delays in processing your verification. Step 6. After submission, await a confirmation email from Target Plus. The review process can take a few days. During this time, check your email and account regularly for any requests for additional information. Step 7. Once your account is verified, you will receive notification enabling you to access full seller capabilities, including inventory management, advanced analytics, and promotional tools. Remember, keeping your seller profile updated is key to maintaining a smooth selling experience on Target Plus and avoiding interruptions in your account status. Ensuring you follow each step diligently will help you verify your seller account without hassle and set you up for success in this competitive marketplace. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more useful guides and tips every week.